Mmm.
Get strong.
Hey guys, this will be my first KFC experience. My first KFC experience in Japan. Come with me. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. This very morning, I just stepped into KFC in Japan. My first time visiting a KFC in Japan. And I just purchased a 3-piece meal that costs 1,240 Japanese yen, or $8.50 USD. It's 3 pieces of chicken, and I am going to give my honest, undiluted review. Stay tuned. This is what I received. This is good. It's very crispy. It's moist and flavorful. Another thing I must actually point out, you do not get fries with a KFC unless you order it separately, as well as drinks. You do not get them unless you order it separately. And this is the drink that I received. It's less than 240 milliliters, which is less than a cup, around 3/4 of a regular cup. Also, you do not have the option of actually going back to refill. This is the biscuit, very moist on the inside, very flavorful. It is buttery, and I can taste some milk. And this is what I received: 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, and a drink which cost 1,240 Japanese yen, as I said earlier, or the equivalent of 850 USD. I'm going to try another piece. Oh my! This is tasting very flavorful. And it is the regular. Another thing I must point out, when you come into KFC, it is self-order. So you have to go on the monitor. You can select English because they have that option if you are not fluent in Japanese, or if you don't talk Japanese. And you have the option of paying either cash or with card. I am enjoying it. So far the chicken, regular chicken. I received this onion sachet with it. And so far the chicken. I will definitely give it 7 out of 10. It's crunchy, it's flavorful, it's moist on the inside, but if I should compare it with that of some restaurant in Jamaica that I would have rated maybe 8.5, I will give this a solid 7 out of 10. In terms of the customer service, it was very, very good. In fact, in here is, you can see it's empty. It's almost 12 noon. You can see, and it's very quiet. I really do not know what it would be like in the evening. But for now, it's very quiet. And at the KFC, we have a lot of sanitizer, I've noticed, where you can actually sanitize your hands, or if you do not wish to use the washroom or restroom, as we normally say in Jamaica, you can sanitize your hands. And the drinks, you have to pay for it separate. It does not come with the meal. If you need fries, you have to pay for that separate. Please comment to me if you have ever tried KFC in Japan. And as usual, like, share, and subscribe. Remember to visit our business page, as skincare products, natural skincare products are there for all skin type. Visit our business page at www.jamcaribhealthy.com, jamcaribhealthy.com. Have a very good morning, a very good afternoon, a very good evening, a very good night, anywhere you're at in the world. KFC in Japan.